We're at PAX, right? I'm sleeping on the floor. I'm laying on the ground like a serf, right? I'm just trying to bring home some crops to please my lord. And I turn over during the night and I open my ear and I hear this sonic cannon bellowing and I just hear and I'm like, oh my god, and there
Guys,
we were.
I'm a human
days in
too.
Seattle,
I have
the
feelings.
sonic cannon
You are
blaring.
just making fun of me.
You don't
not
care,
making fun of
Travis, because I'll tell you why you don't care. Because the morning after the first night, when I said something about it, you shrugged and said, "I can't help it."
Because I literally can't. What am I gonna do in that moment?
I lay down.
Come on, Carson, tell me. Oh, let me just stop breathing for 9 hours so you can sleep.
Yes, that's what you should do.
I lay down after a long
I will
night.
perish, Carson. I will literally.
Oh, I thought my fucking computer crashed. I was like, oh my
Now
god.
he perished, bro. He's gone.
Okay.